Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today is Tag Tuesday and I'm going to be working with my vintage grunge alphabet tags. You can find these in my Etsy store, so I'll put a link for those down in the description below. I'm also going to be working with a few pieces from my vintage steampunk ephemera pack. I've just printed out one of the smaller pages at the end of the second PDF that's in that listing, where everything, they're the bonus pages where everything comes at a smaller size, because I thought that these little pieces might be nice to include with these tags. So I'm not exactly 100% sure what I'm going to be doing with these today. I sort of have a little bit of an idea in my head, but I just thought that I would start crafting and see where it takes me. So grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and sit back and follow along, and I'll see what I can come up with. Okay, so after making those 3, I've got these pieces left, and rather than waste them, I think I'm going to see what I can do with these and make a 4th tag. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me as I made these vintage grunge alphabet tags for Tag Tuesday, and I filled them with ephemera from the vintage steampunk ephemera pack. Both of these kits are available in my Etsy store, and you can find the link for that in the description down below. Please come and have a look because I've got lots of other printables for your crafting needs as well. You might like to also come and join my Facebook group. We have lots of crafting fun, and I give away a stack of freebies every month. Please also like and subscribe to my channel for more crafting tutorials.